Hey everyone! Welcome back to DIY Instead of Buy. I'm Lacey, and today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy roll-away filming backdrop. This is perfect for small spaces that have to serve as a multifunctional area. So all we need are four things: your scissors, which I'm sure you have those on hand already, some Velcro. I found this at the Dollar Tree, and one roll is plenty for this. And I'm showing you here how sturdy it's going to hold. Some super glue, double-sided mounting tape. This can hold up to 20 pounds, and I also found that at the Dollar Tree. And lastly, you need a table cover or tablecloth. And I believe I got it at Walmart on clearance for $1. You will also need two more items when we go to mount this. One I'm sure you already have at home, and the other you'll be able to get at Home Depot for $1.38. So my total for this project was only $4.88. I lucked out and got two backdrops for the price of one. The front was gold and the back was a reflective silver. This is a mylar type of material, so I was just showing you that that top layer scrapes off very easily if you're not careful. So now I'm measuring out my Velcro strips. I'm gonna cut them at about 8 inches, but keeping in mind that the way we're gonna hook them together, they're gonna overlap by about 2 inches, so my strip will end up being approximately 14 inches long. These strips will attach at the top of our hanging backdrop so that when we roll the backdrop up, it can go around and attach up and out of the way so you can use your space for something else. So we have each side of the Velcro, and we're going to take those and we're going to overlap them by about 2 inches. Secure them together really tight, and you'll see that they stick together. You can tug on those and they will stay together really well. So I'm determining if my length of the Velcro is going to work out, deciding exactly how much of the Velcro is going to need to be physically attached to the backdrop, and just double checking that it will fit around it once it's rolled up. And you can see right there how it's going to hook around. So I like the measurements of the Velcro, so I cut out 2 more sets of it. So I have a total of 3 pieces of the Velcro. It's time to get out the super glue tape, and I'm taking maybe about a 2.5 to 3 inch strip of it and placing it on the end of the Velcro. I remove the backing and stick it at the top edge of the backdrop, and the other 2 I repeat the process, placing them about 1/3 of the way across the top edge. Here I've rolled it all up so you can see exactly how it works. There's the center one, and then I moved over 1/3 of the way. Let's see what it looks like hung up. I said you'd need 2 more items, and that is 2 binder clips, which you probably have at home, and 2 cup hooks. You're going to take the cup hooks and screw them into the ceiling at the width of the backdrop. Then you'll take your binder clip and attach it on the outside corner at the top edge of your backdrop and hook it over the cup hook. Right there you'll see a close-up of it. A very simple way to hang it up. An afterthought I had was to add a dowel rod to the bottom of the backdrop to make it easier to roll up. The creases should go away over time, but you could always try adding heat from a blow dryer to speed up the process. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this inspired you to create. I'm Lacey, and I'll see you in the next one.